Hello everyone, Fish Pat here, or just Pat. Today we're checking out Mr. Nihilist video snack pack, and a little bit change of pace as with previous video. We're going to comment as we go, so we're not going to watch it in its entirety first, so you can watch it on Mr. Nihilist's channel, and then as you're browsing YouTube to see other folks' thoughts and reactions to the video, if that's how you got here, you're always more than welcome. So we're gonna comment as we go, and when I pause, if it's in the midst of a lyric or something, I'll rewind so we don't miss anything. All right, let's go.
Nah, sorry I can't hang out tonight. I'm chilling with the boys. Nah, there's not gonna be any other snacks. Just me and the munchies. I'm off a snack pack.
Alrighty. So we have of course, the man of the hour, Mr. Nihilist, Mr. Gaming Syndicate here, looking cool. Not familiar with her though. It's horrible to say, but I'm thinking maybe by the outfit, I thought it might have been Miss Lynx, but there's nothing Lynx going on up here. So not sure who this is. I'll select that. Hang on, let's see picture. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Instead of chopping up something else, he's chopping up chips. All right. Couple of foxy ladies here. We have Mr. Fuel Mind, along, of course, again with the man of the hour, partying. I think this gentleman's name is Mr. Chikari. Could be wrong. He has a really cool model too, and it's their spray cheese. That's those are some burgers. With Mr. Skybrows. And of course you have Miss Ember here and Miss Upela. It's cool seeing her in stuff. It's really, really cool. She's been doing a lot of great stuff with her music. Her music is really, really good. It's hard to say. Probably two favorites would probably be Skybros and Leaflet. Probably my two favorites. I love the imagery of this. This is so cool. Okay, so we have Mr. Psychro here, and they're in the bathroom. What did Mr. Psychro give right him? It's a... Might be best to not ask questions I'm not ready for the answers. That is must be some magic pretzel. I wonder if there's a pretzel that can make you see God. Okay, I thought so. Okay. I was like, So this is Night Owl. It's Night Owl. New cola. Back it up. I don't recognize you. But this is Captain Keen from my Fruit Loops. I keep getting her name unfortunately wrong. It's Holy Goddess Nasky? Yeah, I believe it's Holy Goddess Nasky. I'm just gonna call her Goddess Nasky from Mr. Trucker Man and Mr. Nihilist. Snacks. Someone else who I do not recognize. This is Powder. Okay, so We got Lord Intellectual, and I'm gonna say this is Miss Penny Bloomfield. So it's really cool to see her in a video. Typically, she's in a paperclip form, but now we have her image here with her. Apparently, she said that this head cover is a snood. I didn't know what that was, but that's pretty cool. And she grows pennies. That is pretty neat. I'm off a snack pack, munching chips. And of course, you have here's Miss Lynx here and Miss Leaflet front and center. Miss Mizuki and Miss Banana Juju. We have the not so blue Jew here, Miss Nux, and of course Miss Shoe on Head. Point, point, point. Yep. Ignoring the, come on, back up a little bit, back, no. Come on. I guess that'll do. There you go. That'll do. That'll do. So, ignoring the fact it's just about snacking and eating, and because that's sort of his, it's sort of been what he's sort of been typecast into. This also kind of reminds me at the end of Cameo Geddon, Miss Papela's video, where he just shows up and just starts eating a steak. Pretty cool. Got your worms for another video of Miss Papela. VTuber games. Nice. Who are you? Look pretty cool. Purple. Kind of like kind of drowish, but more purple. Chips. Popcorn. Here is Cross Legend. This is Underworld, Mr. Underworld Fox. Snacks. I saw your name in the X Counts video, and I don't remember. I know you're Mavluck. You seem pretty cool. So this one, there you go. Yeah, Reeving Mango. An odd way they both can be look like three siblings. Keep my popcorn and my pasties and my candy. Yeah, Eustace here, that cool cat. He was causing a mischief. Oh. Got Miss Lana in both fire and frost forms. Make me happy. I can't hold it when we kiss. I be sucking. I believe this gentleman is. Oh, I think I react to a video of his. A Wild Iraqi, I believe, is this gentleman. He had a really cool video. I do not recognize you, but you look pretty cool. How are you eating? Technology, probably. Oh, you can't. Ooh, he's a Candymancer. Moving on. Eats oh, cheese and rice. That gave me a spook. I don't know your name. I did see part of you in another video. It looked really cool, and I also do not know this gentleman. Two other folks I do not know, unless they showed up earlier. Like, for example, this could be Mr. Underworld Fox, but I don't not know. Okay, phrasing. Pod racing.
I feel the heat. That's right. While I'm down a verse, let it pour all over me. Baby, baby, make me hungry. I can teach a couple things. AT walking slowly.
That looks pretty cool.
Keep approaching down the lane. People asking.
Hey, it's Mr. Griffin Knight. Clean shaven too. He looks interesting. Not bad, just interesting. Being clean shaven. Actually looks kind of cool.
What I'm eating and I'll answer all the same. I'm off a snack pack, munching chips and all night. I'm off a big steak, cracking pretzels tonight. I'm off a snack pack.
Oh, jump cuts.
I'm off a snack, munching chips and all night. I'm off a big steak, cracking pretzels tonight. I'm off a snack pack, munching chips and all night. I'm off a big steak. Babe, I'm finally home. Told you I'd come back. I missed you too. I'm walking with my friend. We just played Xbox. Nah.
I exited that. Okay. That was such a cool song. It, some parts felt a bit of I wouldn't say a fever dream. But it was really, really cool. I really like the imagery on it, especially, of course, the snacks and just really leaning into the he's always eating. That spooked me. That gave me a spook. But this was such a really cool song, a really cool vibe. I'm gonna be listening to this one again, so I can catch what I missed as far as the lyrics go. But this was really, really cool. This is really cool. Give it the like. I'll tell Mr. Nath how much of an awesome job he did. But in the meantime, and in between time, I hope you all have a wonderful day. See you in the next one, and take care. Bye.